And hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Ed, this is PaPawsProjects, and today we're going to talk about microphones and audio quality for the video channel. I am trying to upgrade the channel every chance I get, so I thought I would tell you about the progress from where I started to where I am today with the audio, and maybe you guys will have some input, some feedback, or maybe there's something I'll put in here that you didn't know, and we can all grow from it. So I guess starting out, first of all, we're out here in my shop. This is my wood shop, and I have dedicated a portion of the wood shop to my 3D printing and my new YouTube channel. So that's what we're doing here. You're going to hear some background noise, some ambient noise, birds chirping, cicadas chattering, cars going by. I live on the highway. I have the garage door open with a nice cool breeze coming through here. It's a beautiful day. So just keep that in mind. So for now, we're going to start out here. When I recently started back doing YouTube videos, I was using a laptop. On that laptop, it had a built-in webcam and a built-in microphone. And that's what my first few videos were on when I started the 3D printing stuff. I quickly found that that laptop did not have enough power to do Streamlabs, OBS, video editing, and all that. I found myself having a lot of loss in frames, and video quality was not what I wanted it to be. It's still not what I want it to be, but it's getting better. So I abandoned the laptop and brought my PC out here and set it up, and I got a couple webcams. I have got, let's see, I've got 3 webcams that I've picked up. Each of them are 720p, which is not full HD, but it's not bad. It's doing okay for now. I have a couple issues that I got to work out, but it's working. So I've got the webcams running. Each of the webcams have their own built-in microphone, and then I've got all these microphones here, and I'll kind of walk you through the progress, what I've tried, what I haven't tried, and where I'm at today. So I'll start with these two. These are 2 old computer microphones that I've had forever and a day. They're just a standard little microphone audio jack that plugs into the computer. That's the old school stuff. Didn't even try those. Knew they weren't going to be the quality that I was looking for. So then I picked up, well, let's see, I had this one given to me. It just says universal microphone, dynamic microphone, but I haven't been able to try it because it's got the big headphone jack on it. I don't know if it's like 1/4 inch or what, but it's the bigger jack. Computer doesn't have the big jack in it, and I'm not going to spend the money for an adapter, and I haven't come across one, so I haven't tried that one yet. Same thing for this one. This one I got at Goodwill for a couple bucks. It was like $1.99. It's actually a Radio Shack omnidirectional dynamic microphone, but it also has the big plug. So have not tried it either. So those are the ones I have not tried. Then I will say this microphone here, which is a Sony. That one I did try. Sound quality wasn't the best, but it does work. It's plugged into the front of the computer, and we're going to do a sound test with it here in just a few minutes. It's a Sony dynamic microphone and standard audio plug. Okay. Then the next step is this microphone here, which again, you're going to find when you're watching my channel, you're going to hear a lot that I pick up a lot of good deals at Goodwill. I'm kind of cheap. I don't like to waste money, And when I do got to spend the money, I want to make sure I'm getting my money's worth. So, yeah. Anyway, this microphone I picked up at Goodwill. It was $1.99, and this one was actually on a half price day. I don't remember the color on the sticker, but certain days of the week, if you have the right color, it's 50% off that day, and I just got lucky on that one. It is a Nintendo brand microphone, USB, and I believe it came out of a Nintendo Wii, probably. And it seemed to have the best quality sound of everything I had. Also, between this one and this one, I had started using the microphones in the webcams. All three webcams, the sound quality to me sounded identical. So I used those for a little bit. Then when I got this one, I tested them both and decided this quality was just slightly better than the webcams. So I switched over to it. Now, one difference between the webcams and that microphone is the webcams have a little bit better range. They pick up, when I'm farther away from the microphone, they pick up a little better. Where this one here, I have to be a little bit closer. Usually I have left that microphone sitting on the bench, and when I'm sitting at the computer, I use it. And when I'm here at the workspace, a lot of times I'll use the webcam, one of the cam microphones, because it just happens to be right here over top. Usually my top-down camera is the one I choose. So anyway, I upgraded to that one, but still was not at the quality I wanted. I decided that I would move up. I really wanted to get a Blue brand, that's the brand of it, Blue Yeti microphone. But I was not going to pay $100, $150 for a microphone. Just not going to happen. So I started looking into the Blue SnowBalls. So I know some people have them. There's a lot of things posted that is very good for YouTube videos and podcasts and things like that. So I started looking into that. I did get one. I picked up the Blue SnowBall. I just got it today. It's kind of what triggered this video. I got it today, and I got it on eBay for $22 and no shipping. So that was a pretty good deal. Honestly, I think the guy probably made a little bit of a mistake. During my research in these microphones, I found that there are two versions of the Blue SnowBall. So if you decide you want to go the SnowBall route, pay attention to that. You have the Blue SnowBall, which is the one I have here, and then you have the Blue SnowBall Ice. And the Ice looks the same, but it's not the same. Not a huge difference. You can get by with either one, but the Blue SnowBall Ices are running cheaper. They're running, on average, they're running about $28, $29 on eBay. And the regular SnowBalls, when they're labeled correctly, they're running up $50, $60. This is a real Blue SnowBall, but it was listed as a SnowBall Ice, and I got it for $22. So that worked out well. How you can tell the difference, I will tell you. I'm not sure if this microphone's on, so I apologize. From the front and the case of the microphone, you really can't tell the difference. But where you can tell the difference at a glance is you'll see that a real SnowBall, the true full-blown SnowBall, has a selector switch here on the back. And it's got a 1, 2, and 3 for different options. Also, another way to tell, if it has the stand with it, you will notice on the bottom of this stand, this has a rounded, toroidal shape to it, and the balls on the ends of the legs, where the Ice model just has little rubber caps that slide on the legs, and the base is more of a squared off, angled, beveled, whatever you want to call it, hub that the legs screw into. So those are two identifiers that I used to help pinpoint the one I wanted to buy on eBay. Because people were labeling them as an ice, I think they've just copy and pasted the description and didn't realize there was more than one option there. So anyway, that's what we have there. Uh-oh, I've unplugged my snowball. Hopefully that's not the microphone I was using. And now let's move on to the sound test. Okay? First thing we're going to do, let me switch to the Sony mic. I'm going to look at the microphones just so I can keep track of what I'm doing. I apologize for not looking into the camera, but just while we do this audio test, I'm going to focus on what I'm doing. So the first thing we're going to do is, here is the audio from the Sony dynamic mic plugged into the audio jack on the front of the computer, and I'm about 1.5 feet away from it. So once we establish that audio, I'm going to switch, and now we are listening to the audio on one of my webcams, which is right up here, and it's, to be honest, it's about 3 feet away. So take that into account. It's a little bit farther away, but I wanted to use the camera, so I wasn't going to just lay it up here on the table. After that, we're going to switch over and we're going to go to the audio of the Nintendo microphone. Again, a dynamic microphone. And it has been the one I've been using up until today. After we get done with the audio on the Nintendo microphone, I'm going to switch to the audio on the Blue SnowBall microphone. This is the Blue SnowBall microphone. Now, one big difference is it's a condenser microphone. It has a different pickup inside. So, from what I understand, it's supposed to be better for vocals, a little bit narrower range, I guess, more precise. I don't know. It's supposed to be, from what I've read, it's supposed to be better. And this is it. Now, if you remember, I told you that the Blue SnowBall has different settings. It's on setting 1 right now, which is the cardioidal pattern. And what that means is it primarily is focused on picking up the sounds from the front of the microphone and rejecting some of the sound from behind the microphone. So this is the SnowBall on setting 1. Okay, now I'm going to give you a little bit of a demonstration. I'm going to walk around behind this SnowBall with it on the cardioidal pattern, and now I'm at the side of the SnowBall, and now I'm at the rear of the SnowBall, and you can hear the difference as I move around it. Now I'm going to switch the SnowBall to position 2 on the selector switch, and I'm at the rear, and I'm moving to the side, and then I'm coming back to the front of the SnowBall microphone. Now setting 2 is still cardioidal. It's still the cardioidal pattern, but it has a negative 10 dB pad filter. Not sure what they call it. It's a pad. Let me see here. There's the definition of the pad. Basically, it reduces the gain of the microphone by 10 dB. Filter. Maybe it's a filter. Did I say that already? Anyway, so that's what we have there on position 2. Now I'm going to go back around to the side of it with the pad engaged, and I'm going to switch it. And I'm going to change the audio selector to position 3. And position 3 is omnidirectional, which means it should pick up the same anywhere you are. I'm on the side now, and I'm moving around to the front, and it should be a more even audio level all the way around the mic. Typically this is used for when you're interviewing people or you're moving around the room. I'm going to listen to this video after I get it done, see what sounds the best and how I want to set it up, but I'm expecting that I'll put it on omnidirectional, and I'm going to put it on an arm so I can move it around. But we'll see how that goes. I'll show you a copy here. There is a picture of the pattern of the 3 options. Now, the Blue SnowBall Ice does not have the selector switch. So when you turn it around back, it'll just say ice on it. It won't have any switch whatsoever. And it is only a cardioidal pattern microphone. Still a condenser microphone, but only the cardioidal pattern. So that's where we're at there. Just a little advice in case you don't know. You don't want to pay, $30, $40, $50 for a snowball and then have it turn out to be the ice model that you could have got cheaper. So that's just a few tips from me to you. Other than that, I think we've covered all the different sounds. Hopefully this one sounds the best. I hope I didn't waste my money, but I guess I'll find out after I play this back. Let's go back here just to clear that out. While I got you on here, I'm going to give you a heads up. You'll see my web channel change every day, really. I'm making different changes. I have gotten a GearBest affiliate and GearBest affiliate link, and the link is down in the description, as well as an Amazon affiliate link, and that link is down in the description. Check out the description. There's links to a lot of things. I've also put links down there for all of the things that I'm putting in my printer, ways to get a hold of me, ways to support the channel. I'm putting all that down in the description. One of the things I thought I would do, I'm going to give it a try. You'll see on the video, I have QR codes put up there. One is for GearBest, and the other one right now is just on filament. You can follow the links in the description if you want to go to my Amazon affiliate link and go anywhere in Amazon, or if you just want to keep up with the filament deals or whatever. I got links down there for all of them. They all work. So if you're going to buy anything from Amazon, I would appreciate it if you would do it through my link. It's not going to be a get rich quick thing, but might get a few bucks back over time. It adds up. So anyway, all you got to do is you can take your cell phone, hold it up to the screen, scan the QR code, bam, you're automatically in. No typing, no nothing. And it works pretty good, actually. I've tried it several times, and I use it to check prices, and instead of having to type things in, I just take my phone, hold it up there, scan the code, and bam, I'm in. Follow me on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram. You can find me just about everywhere under PaPawsProjects, all one word. If PaPawsProjects doesn't work, leave off the S at the end. It means somebody else has taken that name. But typically PaPawsProjects works on all the platforms. So I'd appreciate it if you follow me, especially on Twitter. Any deals or anything that comes up on Amazon, I'm going to put them out on Twitter and PaPawsProjects on Facebook as soon as I find out about them. So take advantage of that. Maybe you can save some money. That's what I'm all about, saving money. I think that'll about wrap it up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section, and hopefully I'll be back with you soon. I think one of the next things I'm going to do is build me an arm to mount this microphone on. I picked up this arm here at a thrift store today while I was in town, and I'm going to take this light off of it and mount my microphone on it, I believe. I got it at a thrift store for $3. So I know you can get them. You can get them online for $9.99. Sometimes you can get free shipping, but what's the fun in that, you know? All right, well, I'll let you go for now. Thanks for stopping by. I certainly appreciate it. And check out all the links. I'll catch up with you again soon. See ya.